That's elevation 0. Our house needs to be at elevation 18. So the way we address that is we install a footing of helical piers. The forming of the piers.
We are going to fly these carrying beams with the crane on top of these piers, and it's going to start looking like a house real soon here.
We treat framing just like we treat finished carpentry. You know, we want to take this opportunity to get it right, get it tight, get it square, level, plumb. We're here at our job site on the cliffs at Bonnet Shores. Our homeowners requested a sleek, modern farmhouse look. So we talk about sealing the house up so that that wind-driven rain isn't sucked into the house. So we do that with closed cell insulation. Let's go check in on our project where we're restoring a 317-year-old building.
We're not going to try and fancy it up in any way. We're just going to put it back together so it looks like what it's always looked like.
Here at Sweenor, we're ready for it, and we're excited. Every day that we enjoy coming to work, especially these trim guys working on million-dollar houses, it's a definite sense of reward at the end of the day that you're coming home and you're pouring your heart and soul into what you build.
We take a lot of pride in building a nice, perfect grid of a frame where my peers can come in right behind us and practice their trade on a nice, square, true frame.